McCrometer's single-point insertion electromagnetic flow meter, known as the SPI mag meter, is the cost-effective mag meter for municipal and industrial flow applications. The SPI mag reliably measures flow in water and wastewater, as well as any type of industrial flow processes involving conductive fluids such as potable water, slurries, sludge, cooling water, and pulp stock. This versatile meter operates on the basis of Faraday's law, is debris shedding, and has a self-cleaning sensor, eliminating costly maintenance. Easy hot tap installation means no interruption of service and no need to cut pipe and weld in flanges. Unlike conventional electromagnetic meters, the SPI mag's cost is independent of pipe size, and the same size meter body is suitable for pipe sizes 2 inches to 96 inches. Velocity and pipe diameter information are utilized by the SPI mag to determine flow over wide flow ranges with a high degree of accuracy, up to 2%. The SPI mag meter is accompanied by ProCom, the feature-rich converter offering an internal data logger, built-in verification, AMI/AMR, 4 to 20 milliamp and pulse output, conduit-friendly fittings, HART and Modbus protocols, and more. Sensor assembly installation is quick and easy and can be completed on-site by the customer or by a McCrometer service professional. See how it's done. The sensor assembly uses a compression seal, which keeps the sensor watertight when the pipe is under pressure. Care must be taken when installing the sensor to avoid leaks. Visually inspect all elements of the installation to ensure they are structurally sound and of high quality materials, including all welds, couplings, and nipples. Place a generous amount of the supplied pipe sealant on the compression seal threads. Teflon tape may also be used. Note: if pipe sealant gets on the sensor electrodes, the velocity signal may be lost. Place the compression seal threads over the pipe valve. Turn the entire sensor assembly clockwise to secure the assembly to the valve. The seal is secure when a large amount of force is required to turn the assembly. Line up the arrow on the top plate with the direction of the flow. Inserting the sensor. Ensure the compression seal is only hand tightened. Slightly crack open the valve and tighten the compression seal as required to minimize leaks. A towel draped around the compression seal can reduce spray if necessary. Open the valve completely. Failure to open the valve completely will cause the valve to scrape the sensor during insertion and may result in permanent damage to the sensor. Insert the sensor into the pipe by simultaneously rotating clockwise the 2 captive nuts on the top plate for the 2-inch sensor and the single captive nut on the 1-inch sensor. For the 2 captive nuts on the 2-inch sensor, use the 2 ratchet wrenches provided. It is recommended that the sensor insertion tools be used to rotate the captive nuts on the 2-inch sensor to ensure the top plate compresses evenly. Important note: if the captive nuts are not tightened simultaneously, the top plate will become crooked and cause the sensor to be inserted at an angle and may cause permanent damage. For more information about installation, refer to the Installation, Operation, and Maintenance Manual or contact McCrometer's technical support. For more information about the SPI mag meter and how it can benefit your flow application, visit McCrometer.com.